I think most founders fail because they are stuck in a psychological trap. You are either the architect, spending weeks designing a logo for a product that doesn't yet exist, or you are the spinner, building code for 12 hours straight without knowing who will buy it. I have lost projects to both sides of this pendulum. But the mistake wasn't the failure itself. It was that I didn't have a system to stop the swing. In this video, I am not just sharing my story. I am going to teach you a strategic execution framework, a 3-step algorithm that I now use to force my brain to stay in the middle. The diagnosis. First, you need to identify which cognitive bias is killing you right now. If you are on the left, the architect, you are suffering from Parkinson's law. You are expanding the work to fill the time available because deep down you are scared to ship. If you are on the right, the spinner, you are suffering from action bias. You prefer doing something useless over planning something useful because being busy feels like being successful. It's not. Step 1. Marketing first. Here is the first rule of the new system. Invert your workflow. In my second failure, I built the engine before the compass. Now, I force myself to write the landing page headline before I write a single line of code. Why? Because if I can't write a compelling promise to a customer in plain English, no amount of great product, Python or JavaScript will save the business. If you can't sell it, don't build it. This single rule eliminates the spinner trap. Step 2. The ignorance deadline. Rule 2 handles the architect trap. I call it the ignorance deadline. I give myself exactly 1 week or 2 to 3 days depending on the task to build the prototype. Why? Because it forces me to ignore the details. I can't obsess over the navigation bar. I can't debate the logo color. I don't have time. This artificial constraint forces me to focus only on the core value proposition. It strips away the vanity work that architects love to hide behind. Step 3. The data loop. The final step is where the magic happens. You launch the marketing first idea with the ignorance deadline build. And then you stop. You do not add a single new feature until you have data. If people buy, I build more. If they don't, I just stop. This turns entrepreneurship from a gambling addiction into a science experiment. You aren't hoping it works. You are testing a hypothesis. Conclusion. The pendulum will always try to swing. Your brain will always want to retreat into overplanning or rush into busyness. But if you stick to these 3 rules, marketing first, short deadlines, and data loop, I think you stop the swing. You stop guessing and you start building a business.